This is a lot of truck. So I don't know if I'm gonna be able to pop these guys up. All right, here we go. We are on our way back down. I got a call from a guy, can't remember what kind of truck, but it's four-wheel drive. The four-wheel drive works, but he got stuck and he's up north of the doggy park. So we're gonna go and check it out. Come along for the ride. Looks like, yeah, someone was
Looks like there's
someone.
two.
Hello, my friend.
What's up, buddy?
All right, is this you?
Yep.
You're the one that called, right?
Yeah.
Awesome. Let me come out and take a look. We'll figure out what we're gonna do, get you out.
Yep.
All right.
Oh, look, he's not very happy.
Oh, this is crab.
Poor guy. Here you go. I got him in my camera. Here we go. I'm being nice. I'm being nice. Everyone. Come on, little fella. All right, so I'll be right there. All right, so it looks like your four-wheel drive is working.
Yep.
And you just bogged down. Did you slow down or stop, or was it just going and just didn't go much
I tried
farther?
4 low and I said, yeah, it ain't gonna work.
Okay. All right. So what I think I'm gonna do, I'm gonna try and kinetic pop you first.
Yeah.
If I can kinetic pop you and get you down to that little lighter sand,
It should be all right.
100, 200 yards, you should be all right to go the rest of the way.
We got like a snap strap in there.
Yeah, I
Yep.
got all yank 'em.
Okay. Yep. Yep.
Yep. So let me get in front, get all strapped up, and I'll let you know what to do.
Yeah, that's fine.
All right. So are these full or looped? They're full. Yeah, I have some. I have Yankum that they saw us when we first started going online, and they sponsored us. And then
Some of your videos on Facebook.
yes, sir.
Yeah.
Yes, sir. So we have them making something for us. So now they're gonna call it the Santo Bridle.
Oh, yeah.
But this thing here, because we snatch vehicles
Yep.
and we don't like metal.
Yeah.
So
Metal just breaks and scratches. And cracks.
correct.
Yep.
So Alan, thank you. And I'm not gonna do a commercial, but I will tell you that nobody makes them like these guys. We tried all different kinds before we got a hold of these guys. I'll give you a secret. Like if you're ever gonna buy off-road recovery stuff,
Yep.
these guys dip the rope.
Where are they out of?
Idaho. They dip the rope versus just put a colored line in.
Yeah.
So hardly, stuff doesn't get in it as bad. Enough of me talking about product. Hop in
Yep.
and I'll give you final instructions. So I don't know if I'm gonna be able to pop these guys up or not.
Should.
Because it is so soft here. But we are gonna give Yankum Kinetic a shot. And this is a lot of truck. So we have the HD double soft shackles. We have the 30-foot Kinetic. Final instructions. All right, my friend.
Yep.
Your wheel is turned a little bit this way.
Yep.
You can't turn it yet, but
Yeah,
when
when
you
you
give you
start-
the bump, yeah, give it a little bit. So, not hot rod gas, you know,
Yeah, just-
like porridge, just
Yeah.
medium gas. Are you in high or in low?
I'm in high.
In high? Okay.
Yep.
Yeah, just medium gas. If you're throwing sand, don't bother.
That's what
If I hit and I don't go anywhere, I'll back up and try it again. If that doesn't work, I'll winch you.
Okay.
If I get stuck, I'll winch myself back
You
and we'll
can
do it
get out,
again. Yeah, so we got it, okay? You ready?
Yep.
All right. Ooh. Might just want to winch it. We might
The
just
other
wanna
thing is
winch
you
it.
have to be hitting the gas when I hit you.
Okay.
We'll try it one more time. If it doesn't work, I'll winch you up.
That works.
But we should be able to get it.
Yep.
Christian, have them in the gas a little early.
Okay. Word. There we go. Alrighty. Start giving it some gas. Start going. Whoa, that got you up.
I got you on top of the sand.
One more time.
This time we're gonna go together. I'm not gonna hit it as hard, but you should be able to go with me, okay? Here we go.
There we go.
Yeah, he's in there a little bit. But hey, Alan, it worked.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's pretty cool. I got to see. I'm following you guys on Instagram.
Awesome. Thank you.
We appreciate the follow.
You guys get ready to pull him out?
Yep.
Yeah,
I'll probably take a video of it.
Thank you, man.
Awesome.
sounds good. You can send it to us.
I will.
But once you get going 10 miles an hour,
Yeah.
when you get there, it's kind of decent. You can get a good
I'll do
tight
next
corner
time
on
I
it.
get new tires.
You got it. That's funny, Christian. You ready?
Oh yeah.
All right, my friend. I'm gonna basically get in front of you and do the same thing I did to him. We have to dig out the front of yours to get to the control arms.
Yeah.
So I'll get in my spot, get it dug out, and then I'll tell you what you need to do to help.
Better to drive on this.
You'll be behind me. It's
Yeah.
better to drive in the ruts.
Yeah, but afterwards, is it better to drive on?
No,
No.
because the tide's coming in.
Yeah.
So down there is not good. Up here in the ruts is best.
Okay.
Let me get turned around. All right, I'm gonna dig under here and see what these control arms look like. I might want to go with the BA, if depending on how tight it is.
Oh yeah.
Much later.
All right, will you take that BA off for me? Okay, so when I get you going, we're gonna do the same thing. I'm gonna bring you up out of the sand.
Yeah.
You stay with me, don't come up on me. We don't want the rope to get in the wheels. Just stay with me,
Yeah,
give
yeah,
it gas, give it gas.
Yeah.
And then up there when the sand is a little harder, I'll stop, I'll go like that. Stop, I'll unhook, and then we'll have you go out.
Yeah.
The exit is right down there at that yellow 2-story building.
Okay.
So you'll be able to go right off, okay?
Yeah. Thank you.
All right, here we go. Huh?
Say, where do you hook onto one of them?
This you gotta go to the control arm.
Yeah.
Yeah. All right, here we go. All right. Christian will tell you, but when the rope starts to get tight, give it a little gas, okay?
I'm going for it.
Make sure he's on the gas a little
Yeah.
early.
I got you.
All right, let's go, cowboy.
Alrighty. Start creeping. Yeah, start going. Oh, start going. There you go. Keep going. Don't stop.
Okay, I should be able to disconnect you,
Yeah.
and you should be able to go straight like this, 10 miles an hour.
I think maybe I need to take
You
off
get
the
used to
battery
it.
or something.
Terrain management system failed, yeah. I would take it off of the beach and take it somewhere where you can disconnect the battery and
Yeah.
reconnect the battery. It usually
Yeah.
solves all of
Yeah,
that.
to zero.
But can you move right now? If you put it in drive, can you go forward? Okay, all right. Let me unhook you and we'll get you going. Christian, can you get that for me?
Yes.
A few moments later.
Okay, I'm gonna pull out of the way, go straight up to 10 miles an hour,
Yep.
and then out at the ramp. I'll keep an eye on you, and then I'm going this way, okay?
Yep.
Hey, I'm glad we got you out. We did good?
I'm good.
Be blessed. Let me move the truck. I'll come say hi to you. All right, guys.
What's up, man?
What's up, man? Good to meet you.
Care if I get a picture
Seeing
with you?
No, I don't mind at all.
Let me get the...
What's Avery trying to, what's he getting a picture of?
He's getting a picture with
Here, you want me to take the photo?
Yeah.
Here, let's get in front of the truck.
All right, yeah, that'd be even better.
We got
Heck
one
yeah.
we got to go get, Christian.
Okay. There we go.
Never.
Awesome. Yeah,
Be blessed, my friend.
Santo.
I'll post it on your Facebook and Instagram after a while.
Awesome. Tag us.
We appreciate it, man.
Have a good one.
You
too.
too. Be blessed.
Subscribe to Stan Hope.
There you go, baby.
Like to subscribe to Santo. They're the best.